Good morning, students. So, yesterday we had solved a few questions of exercise 7.5 and we had done up to question number 2. I will be doing question number 2.1 once again because in the previous solution, instead of 5, I had taken 15. Okay, so both ways I will do and I will find out the answer. Okay, so in question number 2, I had written 3 minus 12 by 5. This was the question. Okay. Now, due to some reflection, one came over here. Okay, and then I wrote 1. So, let us take that question as extra question. So, you will come to know that whatever will be there, you will be able to do. So, 3 minus 12 by 15. So, both we will do. In this case, we will take 1 over here, denominator. LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5. So this will become 1 5s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 1 and 1 12s are 12. This is one way. Another way is that you can cross multiply. You can multiply this with this and this with this. Both way you can do. So this will come out to be 3 by 5. Now I wrote the question 12 by 5, but below that, due to some reason, instead of writing by 1 here, I wrote over 1 over here. So if that becomes a new question, okay, by mistake if that becomes a new question, so let us see how we can do it. Okay, so this will become 3 by 1 and this is 12 by 15. So in this case, LCM will be what? LCM will be 15. So we will cross multiply this with 12. So it will become 1 15s are 15 and 15 3s are 45 minus 15 1s are 15 and 1 12s are 12. So what we have done? Again we have cross multiplied. See. So this becomes 15 into 3 and this becomes 1 into 12. This is another trick. And here the answer will become, this will become 333 by 15. It will be equal to 11 by 5. If you divide by 3. So yesterday we had done this. In your book the question was 3 minus 12 by 5. Okay. So we got one extra question. So in this way, not only the question which is there in your book which will come in the exam, but any number can change. You know, maybe in the exam I can put any number in denominator. So maybe not the same question will come in the exam, but the process will remain same. Okay. Now we'll do question number 3. If you read the question number 3, then it is written Subham painted 2 by 3 portion of the wall and his sister painted 1 by 3 portion of the wall. How much did they paint together? Okay, so this question also we had done yesterday. I remember. So these two are done. Question number 4 we will see. Question number 4. Fill in the missing fractions. Okay. 7 by 10 minus what? What should I fill here? That it will become 3 by 10. It is very easy. Denominator is same. So here denominator we can write the same. So what I should multiply or what I should subtract from 7 to get 3. 7 से कितने नंबर कम कर देंगे तो 3 हो जाएगा. How will we find out? We will write 4. Okay. How did I do it? I did it like this. Rough. This is RHS left hand side. This is right hand side. When you bring right hand side things to the left hand side, it becomes reverse. The sign of the positive sign becomes negative. This side will become negative. So I will tell you one method. If you write 7 by 10 and you don't know what has to be written here, so let this be equal to Mr. X. Okay. The name of this fraction, let it be Mr. X. So 7 minus X will be equal to 3 by 10. So what will be this value? This whole minus, I can take this side and this whole 3 by 10 I can take this side. So what will happen? 7 by 10, this minus will become plus this side and this plus will become minus this side. Will be equal to X. So very clearly this will be equal to 4 by 10 will be equal to X. So X is what? X is nothing but this value. So this is another way of finding. Either you can find out just by seeing it, just by mental calculation, or you can do like this method. Whatever unknown value is there, you can take it as X. Means if I write 7 by 10 minus what is equal to 3 by 10. So let this what be equal to X. So 7 by 10 minus X is equal to 3 by 10. So if minus X goes that side, it will become plus X. If plus 3 by 10 comes this side, it will become minus. So it will become 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10 and this will go that side to become X. So X will become 4 by 10. Okay, so this way also you can find out. Either you can do mental calculation or you can assume any variable and after that you can find out. This was question number 4A. Similarly, we will do question number 4B. X minus 3 by 21 is equal to 5 by 21. So X, this box I have taken as X here. So X will be equal to 5 by 21 plus 3 by 21. So this will be equal to how much? 21 and 21 is common, means they are same. So no need of taking any LCM. This can be simply added. It will become 8 by 21. So see, very easy. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by 21. So 8 by 21 minus 3 by 21 is equal to this much. So we will take one variable. So these are called as variable. Why they are called as variable? See, in the previous question value of x was different. In this question the value of x is different. So the value of x is changing question wise question. So they are variables. So in place of x you can keep anything. But in the given equation, in the given case of equation, the value of x is coming out to be 8 by 21. So in the box we will write 8 by 21. अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो एक बार और देखना, ठीक है? I will do one more problem, same type of problem once again. Question number 4. C. Box minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. तो खाली बॉक्स के बदले क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? x minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. तो x will be equal to LHS को RHS में लेके जाएंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड terms, these are right hand side terms. You will take that side, it will become 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6 equal to 6 by 6 equal to 1. So either we can write here 6 by 6 or we can also write 1. Both are right. Both answer will be right. Now we will do question number 4D. Unknown number in the box plus 5 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. So box we will take as x, you can take y also, you can take z also, anything. 5 plus 27, 5 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. So x will be equal to, this value will remain same, this will become minus because it is going from LHS to RHS. LHS means left hand side, okay, LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. So whenever any value goes from left hand side to right hand side, then this sign changes. So 12 by 27 minus 5 by 27. So 27 and 27 is same denominator. So 12 minus 5 will become equal to 7. 7 by 27. So here we will write 7 by 27. Since these are easy fractions, you can do it by visualization also. By mental calculation also you can do. Means if you hide denominator, you will only see numerator. So see 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Very easily you can do. But if denominator will be different, then you have to use this method. So this method will help you in both easy problem also and difficult problem also. So this is a universal method. This method can be used everywhere. Okay. But if you see that if you can do it like this also, that you overlook denominator and it would seem to be 7 plus 5 equal to 12. The same method will not apply if denominator will be different. But this method will be applicable in both the cases. So practice using this method. Question number 5. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. Fraction of oranges given to Javed is equal to 5/7 of a basket. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? What fraction, or you can write step, fraction of orange left in the basket will be equal to whole quantity, okay, whole portion minus given fraction. होल पोर्शन मतलब कितना होता है? पूरा पूरा 1/1, 1/1. इसमें से 5/7 निकाल के दे दिया गया, तो कितना बचेगा? एलसीएम होगा 7, 1 7 7, 7 1 7, minus, and this will become 5. So it will be equal to 2/7. You can also frame the answer of this by using previous method, that 1 minus what is equal to, or what is left has to be found out, no? So one minus dash is equal to 5/7. So we can write here 7/7 minus box is equal to 5/7. Very clearly it will be equal to 2/7. So this is another way. If you are poor in language, you can use this method, but if you are good in language, you can use this method. होल पोर्शन का मतलब होता है पूरा एक भाग का पूरा एक भाग, है ना, पूरा एक बक्से का पूरा एक बक्से में जितना भी है सब, और इसमें इसका मतलब क्या है? जितना था उसमें से 5/7, ये एक फ्रैक्शन है. So with this exercise gets completed. Now the next exercise will be exercise 7.6. In exercise 7.6 there are 9 problems, so we will be doing half of the exercise one day and half of the exercise another day. Okay, so keep solving these exercises which I am asking you in your notebook. I will be asking you to send this work through email, okay, and I will tell you how to send the email and in which email ID you have to send the PDF of your notebook pages. I will tell you later on after completion of this chapter. Okay, thank you.